All you need is a Gmail account, and by using this tool, I'll show you that you can start making money online right away. This is available worldwide, so where you're from doesn't matter. This is also absolutely free to do. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. So this site that we'll be going over today, guys, is called clicksgenie.com. And right off the bat, when you first come on here, you can see exactly how you can get paid. Make up to 42 cents for every email you read, so you get paid by simply reading emails. It's as simple as that, and it's a very decent amount of money as well. Now, just before we move on, I need to mention that this is not a long-term strategy, and it won't pay you crazy amounts of money, so don't expect unrealistic results. If you want longer-term strategies to make money online, be sure to check out my videos. Anyhow, down here, you'll be able to see what features the site offers to its users. It has a friendly interface, which is quite nice as sites like these generally don't bother with making the user's experience good at all. Something very important is seen right next to these multiple earning options. So you don't just get paid by reading emails. You can also refer people here to get paid some extra money. Speaking of referrals, here you can see that you can earn more money for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. So a 320% increase from the original amount. This is a unique feature that I haven't seen on other sites, so I highly recommend you to also refer some people here to make extra money. I'll show you exactly where to share your affiliate link to get paid. Now you can also click on More to read more about the referral system, but I won't go over it in this video. The other feature this site offers is security, so your data won't be at risk whatsoever. All your earnings can be tracked, so you get detailed info on how much you've earned. Finally, you can see that ClicksGenie is fast. But just below, you can see that you can also install this on your smartphone device. If you want to, this isn't just available for a laptop or computer. Here they have some very important bits of info regarding payment. So first off, you get paid instantly. There's no waiting whatsoever. You get paid whenever you read an email or redirect someone to this website. You just need 1 cent in order to be able to withdraw your money, which is very low compared to some of the other websites. And if you remember, you'll get paid 42 cents per email you read. This means that after reading a single email, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. Lastly, you can see that they offer you a bunch of different payment options, so for those of you who either don't love PayPal or it isn't available to you, you can still get paid. You can see once again that this site is secure and they give you more info about it, but what I want to show you is located just below the stats, and more importantly, the payment proofs, so you can see that this site has more than 20,000 members and has paid out over $5,000. If you click on proofs here, you'll be taken over to this page, and I really need to show you this because there are many sites similar to this one that are scamming people, and I want to show you that this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you come from, and as you can see, there are people from literally all over the world getting paid through this website every single day. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Anyhow, when you come back over to their homepage and scroll down a bit more, you'll see that it takes less than 30 seconds to register. They also offer you customer support. The last thing you can check out on the site that I won't go over are the frequently asked questions just above them. You can see the register button, which you'll want to click in order to create your brand new account so you can actually start making money with this website. Now, something of note is that you won't be able to start making money with the site right away. There is something you need to do that I will show you later on, so please don't skip ahead, otherwise this won't work for you. Anyway, to create an account, just enter your username, email address, your password, tick this box showing that you agree to their terms of service, which you can read if you want to by clicking on them, and tick the box just below signaling you read their privacy notice, which you can also read as well. The third box you don't need to tick if you don't want to. In any case, to create your account, just click on register down below, and right after you do that, you'll receive an email from them that looks something like this. You will need to click on this link in order to confirm that the email you entered actually belongs to you and to activate your account. From there, you'll just have to come over to Clicks Genie, click on Login to log into your new account. Now this is what you'll come across when you log in. And as you can see, it does look quite nice. It is definitely user-friendly, like it says on their homepage. You can see your earnings right over here on the left-hand side. You have referrals, money, people, and statistics. By clicking on referrals, you can see how many people you've referred thus far and how much money you've made. Now to withdraw your money, what you need to do is simply click on money right here and then withdraw, and that's all there is. Here you have the referral link. Now referring people to this site, guys, is definitely a great idea as it does pay you quite decently. For that, you can go to various Facebook Make Money Online groups and share this link with people. Tell them that Clicks Genie made you money and that it's a great site if you want to make money online, and you'll get a few clicks for some extra profit. However, there is something you must do if you want to actually make money with this by reading emails. And this is why I said it's hugely important to keep watching. As you can see on Clicks Genie, there are no emails to read for you to actually get paid. And so what you need to do is to go over to your Gmail account, find and open a message that looks like this. And here they explain to you that in order to make money, you need to add them to your contacts list. Here's the thing, if you try following these steps, it won't work. They will tell you need to click on these 3 dots here and select Add Clicks Genie to your contacts list, but the problem is when you try to add them like that, the option is not available, as you can see. So what you basically need to do from there in order to add them to your contacts list is click on here and then click on Contacts, and this is how you will actually add them to your contacts list. From here, just click on Create Contact, and then from there you will enter their first name as Clicks, their last name as Genie. You then need to add in their email address, which you can find right over here. Just copy it and come back over here and paste it. The other options you can leave it blank, and just click on Save to finish the process. And only now, after you add them to your contacts list, will they send you emails for you to read. They'll do so every single day, and every time you read one of them, you will see over on the dashboard here that you will get paid. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.